How to invite people to a Wire group. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on Wire Messenger and want to add more people to your group, whether you are growing a team, organizing an event, or bringing friends into the conversations, inviting new members to a Wire group is quick and easy. Start off by opening up the Wire Messenger app on your device and sign in if necessary. From your Conversation tab, go ahead and tap on the group chat you want to add people into. Once you do that, go to the top of the screen and tap on the drop-down right next to the group's name and tap on Conversation Details. Now from here, go to the bottom left and tap the plus icon to add more participants. You can search for the participants by their name or username. You can find people by typing in the @ and their username in the text box. If you want to find people on another domain, then you can type in their username and domain name. Once you do, if that is available, it will be shown on this list and you'll be able to tap on Add Participant if you find any contact over here. So that's how it's done. Once you send in the request, they'll need to accept it and they'll be able to join into the group. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.